Just making sure. Hi guys. Well, the last pour, which I'll put up because I didn't like at all the balloon effects, so the heck with that. I'm gonna go and do a waterfall again. That I know how to do really well. So this time I'm gonna put some different colors because I really do love these blues I got, and turquoise, and green, and purple, and yellow. It's a little different this time. So I'm going to start with this brilliant blue, which is new from Basics. I'm going to pour it in the bottom here. I'm not going to put as much paint as I had before. My God, there's just too much paint. And then I'm going to add some white after that. Okay. Okay. All right. And then I'm going to put a little Payne's gray on top of this white. This is what I've done so far. I'm trying to find room where I can't show you very well over there, so I'm just going to use my bottle cap here. Just a little bit. The rest I'm going to be pouring on the side of my cup, so you'll be able to see it then. Alrighty. A little light green. And let me take off the top. Hold on, guys. Shake it up a little bit. Yeah. All right. Just put a little here. Not a lot. Okay. And then I don't know what orange and green would make mud, so let me put some white, not that white. I made the mistake before by putting a white that was my base coat, which is acrylic artist flow. All right, that's it for my actual white paint, so that's fine. Okay. And I'm gonna throw a little orange in there, I think. Or maybe Aqua, the Aqua. Let's see, where's my other one? That was the Aqua there. I'll put this bright aqua green, since I have green right there. Okay. I love that color. I could eat it. All right. Then I'm doing a little bit of black. What happened to my black? All right. Actually, let me do purple. Love the purple. I don't know what's going to do with the blue. We'll soon find out. All right. And then yellow. I don't know how this is going to turn out, guys, but we'll see. I'm not worried about what the colors do or how they mix. Just want to do a pour. What happened to my black? Here it is. And I'm finished with, this is Payne's gray. I have a black there somewhere, but that's for a base coat. All right. That's what I got here. Not that much paint this time. And we shall see what happens. Okay. Move all that stuff out of the way. All right, I'm doing a jiggle. It's called a jiggle. Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. And you can see, very good. I'm gonna start here. Jiggle like this, up and down. Look how cool that's looking already. Wow. I love the yellow and the purple. Beautiful. I'm gonna start with a little blue and green. they all go together, which is very nice. And I got some of that brilliant blue. And that's it for that. So, oh my God, that is so pretty. Wow. Now, I don't want to have it drip too much off the sides. I will a little bit, but not a lot. I want to keep those fingerlings right where they're at. And I can't believe the yellow. Wow. This is gorgeous. Love it. See, you never give up, guys. You have to just do what you really know and then just do it. And I'm going to try pouring a little bit off there, but I hate to do that. I might just keep the bikini lines here. Or better yet, I'm going to just pour it on. Here we go. I want the purple. All right, let me get this going over here a little bit. And then over here. And over here. If I can get that, then I can finish up. Here we go. That is beautiful. Even if I may say so myself. Love it. You like it, John? Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Love it.
All right, let me get more back over here. Wow. I'm loving this part here. Now let me get my purple. Where'd my purple go? Don't know if I have enough here. We shall see. I don't have enough purple. I'll just put the rest black. Okay. Here we go. Nice. Glad I got the purple. Ooh, this is much nicer than the crap I had before. When you look back at the original, well, you'll see what happens this time. Now, I don't like that blob right there. What? I'll see if it'll go away if I... Wow. All right, let me... use my little spatula and try to get this purple over here smoothed off here. God, hard to figure out how I want to do it. Here we go. I need a little more purple there. I guess I'm going to just wipe this off here. I have one of those mats coming, which would be great. I'll peel up all my stuff rather than having it. All right, hand's gonna have to get dirty because I want to get that over here. Okay, and then back this way. And leave it like there. And I gotta get some of this over here on that corner. Just not. Okay. And here we go, down over here a little bit. And look at the white and the gray passing. Look at that, like 3D now. Oh my God, this is gorgeous. All right. Yep. For those people who like purple, you will love to own this piece, I'll tell you. Now, those corners are set. Let me see over here. Get this green down here, put it here. And then this purple and white over here. Perfect. Ah. Oh man, if I just wreck that side, I'm gonna be really mad. All right. No, it's fine. Okay. I find I talk lower when I'm like trying to fix something, so please bear with me, because sometimes I just talk to myself and I answer myself, so go figure that one out. I'm gonna pour a little bit more this way, and this is done. Wow. I'm gonna try and get rid of that. It's not gonna go away, so try and slide it over. All right, let me wash my hands real quick, then I'll take it down so you can see it. Ah. I'm going to do a little torching, not a lot, because I really don't want that many cells. Look at the cells popping up now. Wow. Gone in 2 seconds and all of a sudden, boom. Can you see it still? Yeah. I don't like having my camera, you know, up above, like where I mean, it's better for you guys, but it's harder for me to see what I'm doing. And, but this one I'm very pleased with. Let me just wipe my glasses. I got a blob of sweat. Can't believe how hot I am in here. Oh, I think I may just wear my shorts, except they're kind of big on me. All right, let me fire away and see what I get now. That blue in the middle is just, the offset is just gorgeous. I don't think I have any bubbles. That many cells, so I mean, I do like the purple ones popping up there. Alright, and that's it. Well guys, you'll have to tell me what you think. If you don't subscribe to my channel, please do so. And let me take it down so you can see. Good, you're still going? Yeah. That's pretty quickie. Look how pretty. It's gorgeous. And the one I did before was a balloon one, and it just sucks so bad. But I don't think I even need to put that up now. I will just put this one up. Look at the cells. Oh my God, look at this one right here. That is gorgeous. Beautiful. And these like little triangular pieces is really excellent. Look at this. With the white and the gray going through. Oh my God, I love this. Now, let me show you my other one I did this morning. Oh. And this was just the red and blues. Isn't that neat? I love doing these. So, really cool. So, anyway, okay guys. Have a great weekend. I go to my celebration tomorrow for my painting I did and won. I won an award, so I have to go there. It's going to be a big celebration, so it's going to be exciting. So I probably won't do anything tomorrow. And have a great weekend. It'll be up on my Etsy site, What's in Stride. It's Jenise, Jenise 410, Jenise 410. My website's pourlikeme.com. It's P-O-U-R, like acrylic pouring. pourlikeme.com. And that's it. So have a great day and have a great weekend. Bye.